In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the slightly diagonal stitches in more advanced Tunisian crochet mosaic. So unlike the front post extended stitches that go vertically down, these go to the side by one. They can go in either direction, forward or backward, and that is reflected in the name and in the symbols. So we have this one goes forward, this one goes backward. This is a front post double stitch. As always, in Tunisian crochet mosaic, we have the two contrasting colors, and we always work with the current stitch in the second row below, the one that has the same color as the working yarn. So to make a front post double stitch, we yarn over, and since we are doing this on a slight diagonal, we don't go directly below the current stitch, but below the next one. So we go behind the two vertical bars of that stitch, pick up a loop, and then yarn over through two. This is a forward stitch, so it's called the Tunisian front post double stitch forward. Now we have one stitch to skip here because we already have a stitch on the hook for that, and then we work the usual. You can also do this backwards. For that, we have the stitch originates here, but we need to insert it one stitch to the side, or backwards in this case. So we yarn over, insert the hook behind the two vertical bars of the stitch on the row below, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. Then we skip this because we already have a stitch on the hook for that, and then in my case we have the last stitch, and then a return pass, switching the color at the end of the return pass to start the next row with the other color. And if I make another row here, the return pass chain goes below, so it goes between the loops, and that allows us to look at the stitches better. So as you can see, we have a slight diagonal here, and this is the front post double stitch forward and backward.